The VallisCo DJ Facade booth table provides a sturdy, professional-looking workstation that helps a DJ setup blend cleanly into weddings, clubs, and private events. Its detachable design with folding panels and tabletop assembles in only a few minutes and then packs into the included coated fabric carry bag for easy transport and storage. The booth comes with both black and white scrim panels that work very well with lighting effects, letting you switch moods from elegant to high energy without changing the hardware. A dedicated upper plate for a computer or controller keeps the main surface clear, making it easier to organize gear and keep cables from taking over the workspace. The hidden cable and power routing features, along with the cable hole, allow multiple devices to be powered and connected while keeping the front view tidy for guests. Adjustable feet help the table stay stable on uneven floors, so the booth feels solid and secure whether you are set up indoors or at an outdoor event.